In this quick video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to buy crypto here and choose your fiat. So the payment options here will depend on your fiat. For example, I want to use USD. Click here. And as you can see, the payment option change. So if you want to use credit or debit card, you can use this. If you want P2P, click here. And if you want to use third-party payment, just click here. So for example, we're going to use credit or debit card. And then click here. Type down USDT. Click here. And now you can type down the amount of USD you want to spend. But make sure it is 15 USD and above. So for example, I want to spend 20 USD. And then I will receive this amount of USDT. Then just click continue. And if you haven't added your bank card yet, just click add new card. Click add new card. And then type down your credit or debit card number, your expiry date, and your security code. Once you have filled up all the information, click confirm here. And then click continue. Then check your wallet, your fiat and spot wallet if you have received the USDT. And if you have any questions about how to buy USDT on Binance, leave a comment below.